Hi, this is John from NYC. Today, going to introduce you, also review a camping stove using butane gas instead of isobutane. And here we go. Name is camping stove. It's from Easy Walking, and I ordered this from Lazada in Thailand. Thought it was pretty cool. Let's find out what's in there. Comes with a bag. As you notice, bag is not all that big. Here's coming with the wind guard. I don't think I'm gonna, depends. If it get too windy out here, I will use the wind guard. Okay, I'm assuming this is the guard for the gas tank. It comes with the plastic. Take the plastic off. I think this is the wind guard for the gas tank. So block the flame. Hopefully that's what it is. I could be wrong. And finally, here's the actual stove. This thing is goes out like this, and when you put it back down, go like that. There's a little groove to hold it, and when you want to pull it, you have to pull this up a little bit. And I don't know if you guys see this, there's a little click to start the fire, and at the bottom there's a little stand. Just fold it up. And let's see if I do this right. See this? The groove? There's a little clip there. And you see the little part where it's the opening? You make sure put it over there at the top so it get locked. Ooh. I guess I gotta do this fast. Okay, you put it in and you lock it. Now I'm gonna change the camera angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. Give me a moment. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. The bigger portion go to the where the actual gas tank is. Smaller portion, smaller gap, go in there. So hopefully it blocks the flame coming to the gas tank. Now you adjust the knob. It's all the way to the up position, so it's locked. You bring it down a little bit and you click this. Let's out. Why is this not level? Could it be the table or one side wasn't all the way out? Okay. Thought I was going crazy. Okay. Wow. Very little. you can actually do the fire control with the knob, how strong you want it. Very fine tuned, you have to do it. Now I'm gonna cooking some ramen. There's some water left from when I washed this. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. I think this is pretty good if you're going like camping for one day or less. As you notice, I'm gonna cook some Korean ramen, and it's about 6:30 in the morning here in Thailand. And at this time before sunrise, it's pretty cool out here. It's about 19-20 degrees. I think that should be enough. Let's turn this around a little bit. Move close to the camera, so you guys can actually see when water is boiling. You guys can actually see, and a little bit of water. Want to drink it. Well, so far I'll tell you guys what I like about this little stove. What I like about this stove is it's a compact. It's not shaped in like any other way, but like pretty much a square, so you can put it in a bag easily. And also, it doesn't cost much. I ordered from Lazada, slightly under $10, including the delivery fee. Also, what I like about this is it used the butane gas straight. I don't know how many of you guys know there's a lot of camping stove solely made for the propane and isobutane. But if you go in a lot of other countries, like outside of the U.S. or Korea, some other countries that they're like where they have a lot of people who go to camping all the time, it's very hard to find the isobutane gas tank. And also butane gas is much cheaper in a lot of places, and you can find it easily. Almost every store they have it. So this is what I like. It's very convenient. And I'll tell you what I don't like about this stove is the weight. Compared to the isobutane stove, like those small camping stoves, it's very small and very light. But this one is not. So I guess it's depending what you are looking for. If you are going out for trekking or camping that you gotta frequently move around, this has a little extra weight. It has almost a pound, maybe a little over a pound, but that's just something you're gonna want to decide. But it seems like the fire itself, I'm gonna lift it up, show you guys. It's not all the way high. You could put more, but I'm not in a rush. So, well, it works great. Let's see. The guard metal is not even warm, it's still cold. That's good. it's actually working pretty good. And this is big. I mean, has a little weight to it. That means it's gonna be more sturdy. You can you actually be able to put more heavier stuff, heavier pot. Like this will be a great item for base camp or even home for the emergency, since it doesn't take up a lot of space. I think water is boiling. Not quite. Okay. So I think that's what's good for. Well, that's my personal opinion. I'm not getting sponsored by them. I'm just telling you I purchased this with my own money. I mean, if you guys know about me, I like to buy a lot of stove, do some review, test it. I like stove, I don't know why. By the way, if you guys remember, this is the pot from the camping cook set from the macro in Thailand. Okay, there's rolling bubbles. Boiling. God, I love this. This is bad practice. Early in the morning, eating ramen. This is a really bad diet habit, but it's okay. And one thing I like about this pot from the macro cook set, it's big enough that you actually be able to put the whole ramen in there without breaking it into smaller pieces. Let's cook this. It's about cooked, so I'm gonna turn this off. So you guys be able to see the fire. Nope. Okay. That's off. Let it get cooled down while I'm eating. Okay. The actual stove itself get a little warm. If you cook a little bit longer, I guess it will get pretty hot. The guard is still cold. Okay, let it get cooled down. Let's see how well this has been cooked. Let's change the angle. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. That's the mountain I was talking about in the back. Anyway. Oh, my glass getting fogged up. Oh man. Oh, it's good. Anyways, guys. So far, what I think of this, I think it's pretty good. Small but pretty decent flame. The strength of a flame is pretty good. Seems like you don't have to use too much gas on this. That's another plus. I think to me it's pretty small, so I think that's what I like about the whole thing. And also it's for the butane gas instead of isobutane. Because if you're not in a certain country, it's much harder to find the isobutane. So I think that's another thing. And also isobutane is up just about anywhere to 4 to 6 times more expensive here in Thailand. So that's another thing. Anyways, if you enjoy watching my video, please subscribe. And also, if you hit the like button, I will really appreciate it. Till next time, bye.